Greetings, fellow explorers. Today we are going to explore one of the smallest towns located in West Germany along the Moselle River. If you are seeking a peaceful and relaxing getaway, this video is just for you. So make sure you don't miss out on this opportunity to explore a serene destination and escape the hustle and bustle of the city. Our first stop is at Klotten, a kind of collective municipality in the Cochem-Zell district nestled alongside the Moselle River. Right now we are standing at a high vantage point next to St. Maximin Church, from where you can enjoy breathtaking views of the river. Klotten is a very small place with a population of approximately 1401 people. Let's take a short walk till the river through the quaint streets of this beautiful area. So now we are at the main road along the riverside. There are many hotels along the main road that offer a comfortable stay for visitors to this lovely town. It's worth mentioning that the region occasionally experiences floods, which can be a challenging time for the locals as the roads and a few houses are underwater. Next, we head towards the neighboring town of Cochem, which is just at a short drive of 7 minutes from here. It's a popular town with half-timbered houses to visit year-round because of its famous castle located on the top of the hill. Standing on the bridge, you can enjoy breathtaking views of the town's picturesque architecture adorned with colorful facades. Here you will also find port with ferries waiting to transport visitors along the Moselle River. But our journey does not end here. We have one more stop, a highlight that crowns the entire landscape of Cochem, the Cochem Castle. Cochem Castle stands on the top of a hill commanding panoramic views of the town and the Moselle River valley. Cochem is also famous for its wine producing on some of the steepest vineyards in the world. I hope you enjoyed this video, so whenever you visit Koblenz, make sure to explore Cochem and Klotten as well, as it's located just at 40 minutes drive from here. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.